So they've asked you to find out the equation. Equation means you have to reduce to the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So how I can take it as in the ratio means let line joining the points dividing in the ratio as k is to 1. If they have given x-intercept, y-intercept, obviously it will be an intercept form x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics faculty at Vidyashram Pre-University College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. In the last session, what we have learned the many problems solving based on the concepts of the straight line, that especially standard forms of the equations of the straight line. We have studied a slope-intercept form, we have gone through a two-point form and then a slope point form, and then you are having the formula of m is equals to tan theta, which is finding when theta is given, slope finding, and then reducing to the form of the equations of the line, which is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Isn't it? You have to remember all those formula, dear students. Now, in this session of chapter number 17 in your NCERT, which is a straight line, and here you are going to have session number 4. And what are the topics under this session you are going to study, dears? You are going to study the 5 marker problems. So 5 marker problems on a standard forms of the equations of a straight line. So you should know what are all the standard form. Slope point form is given by the formula m into x minus x1 is equals to y minus y1. Similarly, 2-point form is given by the formula y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is called 2-point form. This is a slope point form. Slope point form. And this is called 2-point form. And then you have studied already what is a slope-intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus c is called slope-intercept form. Similarly, you have gone through the formula of m is equal to tan theta for finding the slope, correct? And then you know already when the 2 points are given, how to find out the slope. M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is finding the slope. And also you have studied intercept form. X by a plus y by b is equals to 1. It is called intercept form, where x-intercept is called A, y-intercept is going to be called as B. Now, based on all this formula, you are going to study here 5 marker problems, and according to the problem has given, you are going to use these formulae. Okay, and then you know already how to divide externally and internally. The formula is given by, if it is internally in the ratio, internally in ratio m is to n, then the coordinates of x comma y is given by m of x comma y is equal to mx2 plus mx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Isn't it? So this is what when the line joining two given points, dividing that points internally in the ratio m is to n. If they've asked you to find out the ratio, you are going to take the ratio as k is to 1. Understood? So this all we have to remember to solve the 5 marker problems. Now, let us move on to solving the problems. What they have given, the first problem, find the equation of a straight line which passes through minus 5 comma 4 and is such that the portion of it between the coordinate axis is divided by these points in the ratio 3:2. So they've asked you to find out the equation. Equation means you have to reduce to the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now here I am going to take it as, so they have given between the coordinate axis means what? It will be coming as the intercept form. So we know the intercept form is, we know that intercept form x by a plus y by b is equals to 1, where it is dividing in x as y-intercept. This is a distance of a units and this is a distance of b units, and here you are having 0 comma b as a b point, correct? And then here you are having a comma 0 as a point at a distance of a units and the b units of x-axis and y-axis respectively. Now here they have given it is dividing in the ratio 3:2. Therefore, you can take that here in the ratio 2:2 means m:n, isn't it? Now you can consider this point as x1, y1 and you can take this point as x2, y2. Dividing in the ratio m:2 as a comma 0 and 0 comma b. Therefore, I can find out the coordinates as, and that point of the coordinates is given by minus 5 comma 4, isn't it? Therefore, equating that minus 5 comma 4 to the line joining the points in the ratio 3:2, that is m as 3 and n as 2 for the point of a comma 0 and 0 comma b. Therefore, you can take that point as will be is equal to minus 5 comma 4, that is m of x comma y you can have, which will be implies that m into x2. So m is nothing but 3 you are having, which will be m, that is 3 into x2. You know that it here 0 plus n into 2 into x1. x1 is nothing but a, 2 into a divided by m plus n. What is m plus n? M plus n is given by 3 plus 2, comma. Next, so m into y2, that is 3 into y2 is given by b plus n is 2 into y1. y1 is given by 0 divided by m plus n, which is 3 plus 2. So therefore, by solving further this one, minus 5 comma 4 is equal to 3 into 0 is 0, 2 into a is 2a divided by 5 you are having 2a divided by 5, comma, 3 into b is 3b divided by 2 into 0 is 0, 3b plus 0 is 3b only divided by 5. So therefore, equating both to the first coordinate and second coordinate respectively, 2a divided by 5 is equal to minus 5. Similarly, 3b divided by 5 is equal to 4. So that what you are going to have? The a value and the b value. 2a divided by 5. 2a divided by 5. 5 5s are 25. So minus 25. Otherwise, a will be is equal to minus 25 divided by 2. Similarly, 3b is equal to 5 4s are 20. So b will be is equal to 20 by 3. Now substituting this back to the equation of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So given x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, it is in the intercept form. X divided by a value is nothing but minus 25 by 2 plus y divided by b value is nothing but 20 by 3 is equal to 1. Now you can take 2 to the numerator, it will become 2x, that is minus 2x divided by 25 plus 3y divided by 20, which will be is equal to 1. If you want, you can take the LCM. So if you take the LCM here, you can have, see, 5 you can take the LCM 25. So here 25 into 20, correct? Multiply 2, that is 40 x plus 25 threes are, which is 75y is equal to 1. You can cross multiply. Minus 40x plus 75y is equal to 25 into 20. If you want, you can divide throughout by 5 here. Divide throughout by 5. So it will be coming as 8 5s are 40. So minus 8x plus you are having here 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. So 5 15s are correct. 15 5s are 75 is equal to, here you can have it as 5 5s are 25. So 20 into 5 is nothing but 100. So if you want, you can shift all the terms to that side. It will become 8x minus 5y plus 100 equal to 0. This is your equation 15y, right? I hope you got this one, shifting all the terms to that side. Okay, so you can have this equation. That's it, dears. I hope you got this problem, how to solve. We'll move on to the next one. In what ratio? They've asked the ratio here. If they ask the ratio, you have to take it as k is to 1 only. Let me continue the question, what they have given. In what ratio is the line joining the points 2, 3 and 4, minus 5 is divided by the line joining 6, 8 and minus 3, 2. So divided by the line joining, let me find out this first, the equation. Line joining the points means by 2-point form. What is the 2-point form? Let A of x1, y1 is equal to 6, 8 and B of x2, y2 is equal to minus 3, 2. So by 2-point form, you can have y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Y minus y1 means y minus y1 is 8 divided by x minus x1 is 6 is equal to y2 minus y1, which is 2 minus 8 divided by x2 minus x1, minus 3 minus 6. So therefore, you can have y minus 8 divided by x minus 6 is equal to 2 minus 8 is minus 6 divided by minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. So you can cancel by minus will get cancelled. 3 2s are correct, and then 3 3s are. So 2 by 3 you can cross multiply 3y minus which will be equal to 8 3s are 24. Again 2x is equal to 2x minus 6 2s are 12. You can still take to all other terms to that side. 2x minus 3y. Here minus 24 comes to that side, it will become plus 24. Minus 12 plus 24 is plus 12 only. So plus 12 equal to 0. Now this is an equation. Let me call this equation as it is. Now they have given the ratio line joining the points 2, 3 and then 4, minus 5. So how I can take it as in the ratio means let line joining the points dividing in the ratio as k is to 1. So let the line joining points, what is that? 2, 3 and 4, minus 5 divide in the ratio k is to 1. So therefore you can equate that to by what? K is to 1. So what happens to the condition is, that is x will be is equal to, you can have it as mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Similarly, y coordinate will be my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. where here this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, and this is m is to n. So therefore, you can equate this. X will be is equal to m is to x2 means k into x2 value is 4 plus nx1. nx1 means n value is 1, x1 will be 2. So 1 into 2 divided by m plus n is k plus 1, comma. Then we are having y will be is equal to m by 2. m by 2 means you can take it as m into y2 is k into minus k into 5, because you are having y2 value is minus 5. So plus n into 1, n into y1. y1 value is 1 into 3 divided by k plus 1. Now what is the equation you are having? You are having this equation. Substituting in this equation, that is 2x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Substituting the x value and the y value, 2 into x value is 4k plus 2 divided by k plus 1 minus 3 into, you are having the y value as minus 5k plus 3 divided by k plus 1 plus 12 equal to 0. Again, by simplifying this, you can multiply by this 2. 2 into 4 is 8k. 2 into 2 is, you are having plus 4 divided by k plus 1. Again, minus into minus is plus, plus 3 into 5 is 15k, minus into plus is minus, you are having minus 3 3s are 9 divided by k plus 1 plus 12 equal to 0. Now you can take it as k plus 1 as the LCM. If you take k plus 1 LCM, it will be equal to 8k plus 4 plus 15k minus 9 plus 12 into k plus 1 is 12k plus 12 is equal to, if you cross multiply by taking k plus 1 as LCM, k plus 1 into 0 is 0 only you are having. Therefore, now you can solve this one. 8k plus 15k plus 12k. See, 8k plus 12k is 20. 20 plus 15 is nothing but 35. So 35k. Again, you're having, see, 12 plus 4 is, you can minus. 12 minus 9 is nothing but 3. 3 plus 4 is nothing but 7. So plus 7 is equal to 0. Otherwise, you can cross multiply. 35k is equal to minus 7. Otherwise, k will be is equal to minus 7 by 35. Otherwise, you can cancel 7 1s are 7 5s are, which is minus 1 by 5. So k by 1 is minus 1 by 5. Otherwise, k is to 1 is equal to 1 is to 5. Minus 1 is to 5. This is a ratio you are having. I hope you got this one, how to solve. We'll move on to the next question, dears. Now, what they have given the equation? Find the equation of a straight line given a plus b is equal to, this must be 5, not 1, and ab is equal to 6, where a and b are the x-intercept and y-intercept respectively. Now, what they have given? Given a plus b is equals to 5 and ab is equal to 6. Now, you can bring it to the form of either a terms or b terms. So, b can be written as 6 by a, right? Now, writing this as 6 by a, I can substitute here a plus 6 by a is equals to 5, taking the LCM a squared plus 6 divided by a is equals to 5. Otherwise, a squared plus 6 is equals to 5a. Bringing to this side, a squared minus 5a plus 6 is equal to 0. Now, if you multiply, you should get 6. If you add, you should get 5. 2 3s are 6, 2 plus 3 is 5. So, here minus 5a, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. So, therefore, a square minus 2a minus 3a plus 6 equal to 0. You can take a as common factor here. A into a minus 2. You can take here minus 3 as common factor. A minus 2 is equal to 0. Equating, having a minus 2 equal to 0 and then a minus 3 equal to 0. So therefore will be equal to 2 here. A will be is equals to 3. So therefore you can substitute back to the B so that you are going to get the B value. So when A is equals to 2, B will be is equal to, see here, 6 by 2. So 2 3s are 6. So B will be is equal to 3. Correct? You can find out the equation by the intercept form, that is x by A plus y by B. We know that is equal to 1. So x divided by 2 plus y by 3 is equals to 1. So 3x, you can take LCM, 3x plus 2y divided by 6 is equals to 1. Otherwise 3x plus 2y is equal to 6, or 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. This is called equation when A equal to 2, B equal to 3. But what about when A equal to 3? So when A is equal to 3, B will be equal to what? 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is 2. So B will be is equal to 2. So therefore we know that again x by A plus y by B, which is the intercept form, substituting x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. Again 6 is the LCM here. So 2 3s are here, having 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Otherwise 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Minus 6 is equal to 0. This is what the equation. I hope you got this one, how to solve. We'll move on to the next problem. Find the equations of the medians of the triangle formed by the points minus 1, 3, minus 3, 5 and 7, minus 9. So find the equations of the median they have asked. Now this is what the A point, see, this is a triangle. Now A point they have given, let A is equal to, okay, I am considering here, let A of minus 1, 3, B of minus 3, 5 and C of 7, minus 9 be the points of the triangle. Let A, B, C be the given points. Now median will be what? This is a median. See, this is a median from A to D. So this is a median. Let D be the median for BC, and then here I am drawing. Let E be the median for AC, and then here let EF be the median for AB. So median of BC is given by how? So median of BC is D, which implies, how we can find out this? We can find out by x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, which is minus 3 plus 7 by 2, 5 minus 9 by 2, which implies D will be having the coordinates minus 3 plus 7 is 4, 4 by 2 is 2, 5 minus 9 is minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. So D point will be having 2, minus 2. Okay. So 2, minus 2. Let me find out the AB point, that is median of AB is F. So which implies F median will be x1 plus x2 by 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2 3 plus 5 by 2. So which implies F will be is equal to minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 by 2, which is minus 2, comma 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4. So F median is having minus 2, 4. Now here, next we can find out median of AC is E, which implies x1 plus x2, that is minus 1 plus 7 divided by 2, comma, you are having 3 minus 9 by 2. So therefore, median of E implies that minus 1 plus 7 is plus 6 by 2, plus 6 by 2 is 3. 3, comma, 3 minus 9 is minus 6, minus 6 by 2 is minus 3. So therefore, this you are having 3, comma, minus 3. Now what you need to find out? Equation of AD medians they have asked. See, equation of medians. Equation of medians, AD equation, CF equation, BE equation. Therefore, by 2-point form. So, equation of AD implies by 2-point form. What is the 2-point form? Y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. By substituting this, what you are having? Y minus y1. See, take this one as x1 y1, this one as x2 y2. So y2 minus y1, that is minus 2 minus 3. Y minus y1. Y minus y1 is what? Y1 is 3. 3 divided by x minus x1 is what? Which implies x1 is what? X1 is minus 1. Minus of minus 1 plus is equal to y2 minus y1. Minus 2 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 divided by x2 minus x1. 2 minus of minus 1. 2 plus 1. So solving this one, you are getting y minus 3, which implies y minus 3 divided by x plus 1 is equal to minus 5 divided by 3. Cross multiplying, you are getting 3y minus 9 is equal to minus 5x minus 5. Otherwise, which implies, see, taking this side, 5x plus 3y minus 9 plus 5 is minus 4 equal to 0. This is called equation of AD. Now what we need to find out? Equation of next is BE. So BE, again taking this point as x1 y1, taking this point as x2 y2. So what happens? Y minus y1. Y minus y1 is y minus 5 divided by x minus x1 is x minus of minus 3 is plus 3 is equal to y2 minus y1 is minus 3 minus 5. Minus 3 minus 5 divided by x2 minus x1 is 3 plus 3. So which implies y minus 5 divided by x plus 3 is equal to minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 divided by 3 plus 3 is 6. Cross multiplying 6y minus 6 5s are 30 is equal to 8x, that is minus 8x minus 8 3s are 24. Now you can shift to this side, which implies 8x plus 6y minus 30 plus 24 is minus 6 equal to 0. This is a equation of BE. Now we need to find out equation of CF, which implies you can take this point as x1 y1 and this point as x2 y2. So y minus y1, that is y plus 9 divided by x minus x1, that is x minus 7 is equal to y2 minus y1, that is 4 minus of minus 9, such that is 4 plus 9 divided by y2 minus y1 is 4 plus 9, x2 minus x1 is minus 2 minus 7, which implies y plus 9 divided by x minus 7 is equal to 9 plus 4 is 13 divided by minus 2 minus 7 is minus 9. Cross multiply minus 9y, 9 9s are 81 is equal to 13x minus, so you are having 7 3s are 21, 2 is the LCM, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 91. You can take all the terms 13x plus 9y plus 81 minus 91, which is minus 10, equal to 0. 9y. This is your answer of equation of CF. That's it, DS. I hope you got this one, how to solve. So, dear students, what they have given the next problem, that is, if the straight line x by a plus y by b is equals to 1 passes through 8, minus 9 and 12, minus 15, find the values of a and b. So, given that it passes through these line, passes through these 2 points. Let me substitute that points in the given line. What is that? Given 8, minus 9 and 12, minus 15 passes through x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Let me substitute the x and y value, which implies, first substituting this 8 and 9 as x and y. This is x value, this is a y value. So 8 by a, see here, it will become here plus, here minus is there, so plus into minus is minus. 9 by b is equal to 1. Let me call this equation as 1. Okay, and then now this taken as x and this as y. Here also same, x and y. Okay, taking we have found out. Now take this one as, so which implies, see, x value is 12, so 12 by a, then minus 15, that is plus into minus is minus, minus 15 divided by b is equals to 1. Call this equation as 2. Now here solving here 1 by a, 1 by b, it will be little complex. So here I am going to consider here, let 1 by a is equal to x and 1 by b is equals to y. So what this equation will become? This equation you can have it as 1 by a is x, so 8x minus 1 by b is y, 9y is equals to 1. Now you can have this is 12x minus 15y is equal to 1. Now you can solve this equation by multiplying equation by 3 and here 2. So what happens to the equation? 8 3s are 24x minus 9 3s are, you are having 27y is equal to 3. Again 12 2s are 24x minus 15 2s are 30y is equal to 2. Now subtracting this equation, plus minus. What happens? 24x will get cancelled. Minus 27 plus 30, it will be plus 3 only. Plus 3y is equal to 3 minus 2, which is 1. So implies that y is equal to 1 by 3. Now let me keep this y as it is. Now y is equal to 1 by 3. I have considered about y, which is nothing but, see, implies, you can substitute. Y is 1 by 3. 1 by b is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore b implies 3. That is a b value. Let me find out x value. X value where? Substituting in any one of the equation. Let me substitute here only. That is 8x can be written as 1 plus 9y. Correct? So 8x is equal to 1 plus 9y. Y is 1 by 3. That is 9 by 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are. Therefore 8x is equal to 1 plus 3 is 4. Otherwise x will be is equal to 4 by 8. So which is 4 2s are. So x will be is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore substituting here x value, 1 by a is equal to 1 by 2. That is 1 by a is equal to 1 by 2. Otherwise a will be is equal to plus 2. How easier to solve, dear students, isn't it? So this is how we are going to find out the values of a and b by given condition. I hope you understood this problem, how to solve. So thank you, dear students. In the next session, we are moving on to the next concept of the straight line. Thank you. Have a nice day.